Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to export data from TradingView step by step. So this can be helpful if you want to save market data, use it in a spreadsheet, or keep it for back testing and analysis. So first I want you to open TradingView and go to the chart you want to export, and make sure you have the correct symbol and time frame selected because the exported data will follow your current chart settings. Next, go to the top right area of the chart and look beside the chart layout name. Click the small downward arrow to open the menu, then select download chart data. And then a small window will appear where you can choose the time format for the file. Pick the format that works best for how you plan to use the data. A regular date and time format is easier to read, while a timestamp format can be more useful for other data processing. Once everything is set, click download, and then TradingView will create a CSV file that can include the time, open, high, low, close, and volume from the available chart history. You can usually find the file in your browser's downloads folder, so keep in mind that the amount of data can depend on how much history is loaded in your TradingView plan. If you need more history, scroll back or zoom out before exporting. Your selected time frame also matters, so a daily chart exports daily bars, while a 5-minute chart exports 5-minute bars. And that is it. Open the correct chart, choose download chart data, select your time format, and download the file. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.